Welcome everyone. So today we're going to be doing a thin crust pizza. What we'll need is a pita bread, a pan with a lid on it. I'm lucky enough to have one that will fit the pita bread exactly. Some cheese. I'm using halloum because it's lower in fat. And primo sauce. This is the one I'm using. It has 35 calories per 60 mils. Not a lot of calories and tastes really good. And it's already pre-made. All right, so we're going to put the pita bread in there. You don't really need that much, I don't think. At least I don't anyway. I find little goes a long way, even though it doesn't have a lot of calories. So try to spread it out as much as you can. Now, I haven't put the heat on the pan yet. I'm just getting it ready right now. I find it easier if I put the pita bread in there first and then put all the ingredients. Now, I am just using a cheese pizza here. This is what I like. If you like something else, if you want to put ground beef or whatever toppings you want to put on there, if you want to keep it light in order to conserve the calories, you can do whatever you want. I just like a cheese pizza. So we're just going to get the cheese ready here. So after the cheese has been placed in the pan on the pita bread, you can turn the stove on medium. Now the pan that I have gets hot really fast, so I put it on low and just leave it there for about 5 to 10 minutes. You just have to check up on it every once in a while. And bon appetit!